Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to the mall with my best friend Lucy and her mom Jessica, and we're just gonna go and hang out and go to a lot of makeup stores because Lucy's mom wants to get a lot of makeup and restock her collection. So we're coming along to do that with her, and we think it'll be really fun. And we're just gonna like go what happened to my voice? We're just gonna like hang around, go shopping, and do some fun stuff. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for like a sort of day in my life, but just like come shopping with me video. I don't know, but yeah. Lucy's coming in about 15 minutes. I just wanted to quickly, I never really wear lipstick, but I just want to put some on because, I don't know, I'm just feeling it today. This is Colleen's lipstick in the color Daisy May. She only has two, the Miranda Sings one and this one. But I don't really wear red lipstick, even though I do have it. It's so cute. I'm just going to show it anyways. It's adorable. Look how cute that is. Wait, it's not focusing. It's so cute. I'm only going to put like a little bit of the lipstick on. It looks a little blotchy right now. Because then I'm going to put this Blossom scented lip gloss on my lips, and it's scented in strawberry, and it's just like a clear lip gloss. Kind of thin though, but it's like not sticky, so that's really good. It tastes like Twizzlers. Alright, that's all I'm going to do, just a little tint on my lips. I will see you when I'm with Lucy. What the heck? Hello, robot. Alright, so we're at Ruby Tuesdays, and now we're gonna, well, after we finish, we're gonna go to Forever 21, which is right over there. And then we're gonna go to Urban Outfitters, and then Garage, and maybe Hollister. And any stores that we pass, we're gonna go into that we might want to go to. So, yeah. Yes. Alright guys, so it is now the night time, many hours later. I didn't get a chance to show you guys what I got when I got home because my friends came over and then we had to go somewhere. But it's 11:49 p.m. right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got real quick. Alright, so the first thing I got was the 35O Morphe palette, Nature Glow, and I'm gonna film a video right after this playing with this palette, so that'll be up very soon. And we also went to Forever 21, which is one of my my favorite clothing store because it's so cheap and it has really cute clothes. But it wasn't that good of a day. I didn't really find anything at all, except online when my friend was checking out. I saw this little wrap, and it's a long one, and my hair's short right now, so I could easily tie it around my hair tie or anything if I wanted it shorter or if I wanted to keep it long. I just had to change my hairstyle because my other bun was falling out. But yeah, this has a really cool like wire instead of a hair tie, so like you wrap it around your bun or your ponytail, but I'm not gonna do it right now because it'll look weird with this kind of bun. Lastly, I got a face mask from Sephora, but it's actually in my friend's car, well, Lucy's car, because it was in the same bag as hers. It was just the Sephora under eye mask in pomegranate flavor scent. But yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I didn't film much at the mall because it was really busy. It was just nerve-wracking filming in the mall with everyone staring at me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!
I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment?